think, oh God.
But the thing is, from your perspective, it's a lot worse. Like, me and Paul talk about this in the truck. When I'm driving along, he thinks I'm going to go into the curb. But it's like, well, I'm not. It's literally your perspective. It's different.
No, but it's like, I'm here, but I can only see what's behind us here, right? I can't see, when you want to, let's say now go into lane 2, you can see now if there's a gap or not.
Yeah.
But obviously I can't. But when you move over, I then see like a car behind, and I'm thinking, you just
spend my time and I have you value what's in store. So if you wanna love me, then go ahead and grab it off the floor. Grab it off the floor and don't be mad.
People on the side off for Christmas. Classic. Mum looked at me and was like, you can't ask that. So you were one of the kids that I'm finding annoying and talking about right now. Hello to 972. They said we have this whole family photo that we took for my nan and my granddad on their 50th anniversary. However, in the photo, me and my sister are both standing with our exes. This year, we both brought our new partners to Christmas, and my little sister told them.
What are you doing?
Our exes. Oh, there you go. Mortified classic. You can't get away from that one, can you? There.
No, leave it. Let
Old woman. Honestly, she has no she's still going. Fucking twat. Impatient prick, ain't ya?
Go, do a thingy. Do a thing. Now pass. Might be speeding up now.
So much fucking sad.
You can go.
There they are, aren't they?
Yours even saw it.
That bike's just knocked that guy's mirror off. Right behind us.
I think he's left it on, mate. Because he ain't telling you. Oh, now he is. Take your time.
Waiting for.
Wait for everyone to...
He's waiting to turn
Oh
right.
my god. Fucking hell! You muppet hole!
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
What are you doing?
The fuck?
He's going to go through a red light. I'm going to get on camera.
Oh! What a dickhead! What's he doing?